Greetings everyone. In today's tutorial, we will quickly learn to create and customize QR codes for website URL and Wi-Fi networks using a free QR code generator. The Wi-Fi QR code could be very easy to distribute, and especially for restaurants and hotels, it will come in very handy. Additionally, we will also learn to scan QR codes without installing any applications on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. In order to create a QR code, let's open the browser and let's go to the website heyletslearnsomething.com for an example. And if you want to create a QR code for this website, the easiest method is with the latest version of Chrome. All you have to do is right click on it and then you can see create a QR code. So here is it, and you can download it and use it. Make sure you have the latest version of Chrome to use this feature. All you need to do is go to that particular website, right click and create the QR code. Or you can also change the website URL here and it works all fine. This QR code looks a little fancy maybe. We can also customize it with some colors or a custom logo. For that, go to the website qrcode-monkey.com. So this is the site that lets you create and customize QR codes for free. Like if you want to create a QR code for a website, simply copy the URL and paste it here, and then create a QR code. This site also gives you an option to set colors. Like you can change the colors. You can also add your own custom logo by uploading it or use what is here. And there are some more designs if you like to choose, like body shape, frame, etc. After all this, simply create QR code. So after all the customization, you can download this and place it wherever you want. And this will take you to the link you used. This is for the website URL. Now if you want to create a QR code for your Wi-Fi, when someone scans it, it will directly connect to the Wi-Fi and there's no need to add the password by the user. So for that, simply go to Wi-Fi and write your Wi-Fi SSID and the password for it and choose the encryption type. In our case, it's virus. Please make sure the exact uppercase and lowercases are used or else it won't work. Write the password and choose your encryption type. The wireless SSID must be exactly what your Wi-Fi name is, even in terms of big or small letters, and so is the password. After all this, you can customize it if you want and simply create QR code and then download it and you can simply use it. When someone scans it, your Wi-Fi will be automatically connected. There is also another very simple site to create Wi-Fi QR code. For that, go to qifi.org. Simply add your SSID and password and generate. So this is the simplest and standard design, and you can export to use it or right click and save it as an image so anyone can scan and use it. Anyway, did you know iPhone and Android has built-in QR code? Yes, you do not need any application to be installed. I have tested on iPhone models from 6 onwards and on the latest Samsung phones. It however did not work with older Android phone. Let me switch to my iPhone for the demonstration. So this is my old iPhone 6 Plus with iOS 14. It's very simple to scan QR codes with a camera, whether it's iOS or Android. Let me quickly try to connect the Wi-Fi. So this is the Wi-Fi we are trying to connect. As you can see, it asks for the password, so it's not connected. Let me just open the camera and then just point it to the QR code we created. So it scans and asks what to do. And join. And if I again go to the settings, so you can see the Wi-Fi is connected. Everything works great. Hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you very much.